Hello, Ward Raiders. My name is Miriam Bryant, and I am one of the school counselors here at Warwick High School. Today, we will pre-select your courses for the next school year. You will need access to your StudentVue account to choose your courses. Please keep in mind the courses you select today are not final. You will have an opportunity to sit with your counselor to discuss your options and the courses you've pre-selected. Log into your StudentVue account. Select the Course Request tab on the left-hand side. This screen shows you a summary of your graduation status. The summary lists the graduation requirements, and on this screen, it shows your school counselor. If you have questions, contact your school counselor. You will want to use this as your guide when selecting courses. To complete your online course request, you will need to select 7 credits. Select the tab that says, "Click here to change course requests." Now, let's select your courses for next year. Please use the course sequences flowchart provided to select your courses. A reminder, teachers have made recommendations based on your performance. We will start with English first. Under Department, select the drop-down arrow and click on English. Then hit Search Courses. Here, you will see all of the English courses offered at Warwick, the courses you've taken, the grade you earned, and the course you are currently enrolled in. Select the level of English you will take next year based on how you are currently performing. You will need to select Semester 1 and select Semester 2 of your course. To save your selected courses, click on the tab that states, "Click here to move selected request to selected course request." You will see the first and second semester courses you've selected, along with the total number of credits. This means you have saved your courses. Here is the English sequence you will follow. As we proceed, click the Remove button if you need to remove a course. Our next example will be Social Studies. Select Social Studies in the drop-down column under Department. Then select Search Courses. Again, you will see the courses you've taken with the grade you earned and the course you are currently enrolled in. You will now select Semester 1 and Semester 2 of your Social Studies course. Then select Click here to move Selected Request to Selected Course Request tab to save your selected courses. You will see the courses you have selected and your total number of credits. If the total number of credits equals 2, then you have selected your courses correctly. Remember, you must select 7 credits in order for your course request to be complete. You are now ready to complete your course request. Now we will select your science course for next year using the science sequence chart. To note, there is a math prerequisite for chemistry and physics. A student must have completed algebra and geometry and is either taking or have passed Algebra 2. For an advanced studies diploma, you must complete 4 science courses in 3 different areas. Select Semester 1 and Semester 2 of your science course. Then select the Click here to move selected request to selected course request tab to save your selected courses. Keep in mind that if you are unsure about your selection, you are able to email your school counselor with any questions. Next, we will select your math course. Select the math course you think you should be in. Your teacher's recommendation, along with a school counselor, will ensure you're taking the correct class. Health and PE. Students must have 1 full credit of health and 1 full credit of PE in order to graduate. If this is your first year taking PE, then you will have to take either PE 1 Team, PE 1 Life, or PE 1 Dance first before you can take Level 2 of Team, Life, or Dance PE. Select your PE course if you have not completed your PE requirements, and then save your request. Also to note, you can take it in summer school or attend the Wellness and Fitness Management class if you are a member of one of the 4 fitness facilities: YMCA Newport News, YMCA York County, One Life Fitness, or Riverside Wellness. If you have not fulfilled your health requirements, select Health 1 if you have never taken health. Select Health 2 Driver's Ed if you are at least in 10th grade or higher and have successfully completed Health 1. Next, we will select your world language class. If you are completing an advanced studies diploma, you will need to take 3 years of one language or 2 years of 2 different languages. Lastly, we will select electives if you do not have a total of 7 credits. Select electives that will help you explore your career interests. Electives are listed under the departments they are taught in. For example, photojournalism, yearbook can be found under the English electives. If you are considering taking New Horizons during your junior or senior year, you will still need to select 7 courses here at Warwick. Once you've been accepted into the program, your counselor will meet with you regarding your schedule. Also, if you're a rising senior interested in a work period, you need to select 7 classes. For students in the Governor's Health Science Academy, please follow the sequential flow chart to select your course for next school year. To review your course request, select the Click here to return to course request summary tab in the upper right-hand corner. On this screen, you will see the list of courses selected along with the total number of credits. Remember, you must select a total of 7 credits. Some students may have a total of 8 credits if they plan to take Economics and Personal Finance or Wellness and Fitness as an 8th period class. Congratulations! You have selected your 7 courses. Once again, if you have any questions, we encourage you to contact your school counselor who will be able to assist.